Hello everybody, welcome to our short class on STEM technologies. Raise your hand if you've heard of STEM. Like not a flower stem, but like STEM. Oh, put your hands go down a little bit. Okay, so what does STEM stand for, just everybody? Science, technology, engineering, math. All right, so the buzzword has gotten out. So definitely STEM's a big thing now. So today I'm going to be teaching you a little bit on a limited basis about the T in STEM. Technology. Yeah. So specifically we're going to be learning about AI and blockchain.
Malachi Hampshire, come to the Counseling Center.
Yeah, so AI, what is it? Artificial intelligence. Okay, very good. So name 5 things you know about artificial intelligence. So turn to the person next to you. Hello. Come up with your best answers.
Oh my gosh, it was fake intelligence.
Okay, raise your hand when you got something. All right. Raise your hand when you got something. Anything. Go, Sandy.
Oh, it's like robots that do things that humans can do.
It's like this.
Robots. You know what? I'm just going to shorten that to robots like humans, okay? So they can kind of do the things humans can do. Okay, what are some other ones? Go with.
Sometimes they have like math programmed into them.
Okay.
Algorithms.
Math algorithms. Nice. Okay, what are some other ones? Yes.
They teach the computer by feeding it like a bunch of information and telling it kind of what it is.
Okay, so you can actually teach the computer. Cool, cool. Okay, one more? No? Okay, I think that's a good place to start.
They use them for video games.
They do use them for video games. Okay, I'll throw that on there. Video games. Okay, so for our activity today, you are going to get some technology cards. Your job is going to be to work with your group to make 2 piles. Is it AI or is it not AI? So, we're going to have you start, so go ahead and put these out on the table. We're going to have all of you join together as one group. We're going to have one massive group back here.
This is
So, come on. Yep, this is all one group. To AI or not to AI? Okay, you got 2 minutes to make 2 piles. Got it? No.
I don't think that's an AI. Isn't it connected to your phone though? We're done. I don't. Well,
Okay.
we're done.
Are you guys
No, none of these are AI because you can tell what like all of them, like it's like we can be doing this class like this. Like this is like it has like programs and all.
All right, are we ready? Are we ready?
I know, right?
Okay. So let's see your piles. Let's see your piles. Okay, I want a representative of each group to hold up a Okay, everybody stop, everybody stop. Okay, good job, I'm seeing lots of piles. Okay, I want everybody, one person from each group, hold up one picture that is for sure not AI. You think absolutely not. Okay, so what's yours?
A computer mouse.
Computer mouse. Also a computer mouse. Radio. Okay. And what did you pick?
Xbox controller.
Xbox controller. Okay. Do you agree that all of those are not AI?
Yeah.
Guess what?
All of them are not.
I just tricked you. They are all AI.
Behind my desk, in the middle of a folder with a whole bunch more. Okay?
They are all AI. Okay, so do you think some of them are more AI than others? Yes. Yes, absolutely. Okay, so here's the thing. Artificial intelligence, by our strict definition, has to do with what we put on the board a minute ago. But by a looser definition, it's really any kind of technology that can help us with an intellectual task. And so if it's a tool, an electronic tool that we're using, something like, say, a calculator, it's so common and so mundane and unremarkable now that we don't consider it to be AI. But at the same time, it does a lot of stuff that we have a hard time doing in our brain. Yeah, Julie.
Okay, so how are Legos AI?
Okay, what kind of Legos are those?
Mindstorm.
That's Lego Mindstorms. So those aren't normal Legos. They actually have a little computer
Oh, okay.
in them. So I'm not saying that everything we use that we've invented is AI, but there's a lot of electronic devices, almost any electronic device you can think of as AI. So let's come up with a definition for AI. So if we look at what natural intelligence is an organic, so living, okay, an organic occurring phenomenon which allows living organisms to sense and respond to their environment. AI perceives its environment and takes actions to solve goals. Not necessarily on its own, it might be something that we're controlling, okay? But it mimics the functions of human minds. So with that information, I'm going to give you a little piece of paper, and you're going to come up with a definition for AI. Now, I want you to be pretty short, okay? And then you are going to come and share that definition on the whiteboard. Okay, so actually, I'll split you up a little more. Did I give you? Okay, we're actually going to split you into two groups. So this end is one group, and that end is another group.
Okay, that's cool.
Technology that's programmed to use
When you're ready, you can send a representative up to write your definition on the board.
I'll write it up.
A reminder about smart boards, you can only have one person writing at a time, or it messes everybody up. One at a time, one at a time.
Yes, Natalie. Technology made by
Oh, there's an interesting one. Okay, so we got technology that is programmed to do specific things. Technology that can act for itself. That's interesting. Thankfully, then we have tall people also.
I get those. Yeah,
Mhm. Yep, you just, yeah, the paper ends and go over to the other side. Yeah, there you go. Oh, sorry. Come on up. Okay, something that makes intellectual tasks easier for humans. Very nice. Okay, down at the bottom it says extend page. So put the marker down for a second. Yeah, there you go. Now you've got more space.
Okay, cool.
I know, isn't that amazing? I would say that a smart board is AI. Am I a RISE teacher too? Okay, good. Thank you. Okay, technology that helps humans fulfill tasks. Very nice. Okay, electronics that process information to help humans. Very nice. Okay, are these starting to sound like there's kind of a theme?
Yeah.
They're all sounding pretty similar, but we do have some different twists on it. So if I were going to do a full hour lesson with you, we would eventually boil this down to one community definition, but we're going to just have one last thing when we're done here. So, all right, technology programmed to have a mind of its own. That sounds cool. Very nice. Technology that performs tasks that humans can do on a certain level. But yeah, the machine might be a little bit better than we are. All right. These are great definitions. Excellent work. So now, a little bit of history. Did you know that the very first AI was actually in Greek mythology?
Yes.
So back before they even had electricity that we could control, they were talking about robots and artificial intelligence that could come, and usually it was something scary that would come and maraud around and kill everybody, like the picture. But modern AI started in the 1950s and now is being used basically to surround us everywhere. Every field, every job, every bit of communication that we do uses some form of AI. And so we rely on it, we work with it, and so it benefits you to know more about it. Okay, we're done.